I Pink Frock Yellow Boots welcome you back to Behaviors, working towards achieving holistic health for everybody. A woman in her life experiences her menstrual cycle, starting with menarche in the early teenage till menopause in her late 50s, on an average. Her menstrual cycle is of 28 days to 32 days approximately and lasts for at least 5 days. Speaking of menstrual cycles and menstrual health in a woman is important because it is something that if impacts every woman in emotional, mental, physical and sexual manner. These are the areas that are impacted and impact the menstrual cycle of a woman. Menstrual cycle come with a lot of different experience for different women, from pain, nausea, cramps, mood swings, vomitings, loose motion and other symptoms that a woman faces every month. Thus, it is important that it is given due consideration and awareness rather than hidden behind closed doors. It is a topic that needs to be conversed in every household as openly as what would be cooked for dinner. Specifically, it is important to involve the males to make them understand something that they would never experience in their life. Though menstrual cycles are natural for every woman, it is still something that brings drastic change in a woman's physical body and thus causes a lot of different symptoms, which includes tiredness and the symptoms that I mentioned before. And that is why it is required that a woman is given proper care, compassion and rest during her menstrual cycle. A menstrual cycle that lasts for more than 5 days with heavy bleeding needs medical attention, and thus visiting a gynecologist is important. If pain, mood swings, cramps, or other symptoms are something that are causing a lot of distress in your body, it is important that you visit your doctor, your gynecologist, a psychologist, a counselor, whoever fits the required criteria. Talking about menstrual cycles and a woman's health, it is important to talk about her sexual and reproductive health, which involves pregnancy, miscarriages, abortions, and the contraceptives that are being used. When all these things come into consideration, it is important to seek medical advice for things that we are not aware of. Specifically, if a woman is choosing the contraceptives she would be using. During pregnancy, a lot of things change again in a woman's body, and thus, regular and proper care is important. Speaking of proper care, hygiene is something that is very prominent to be taken care of during her menstrual cycle. Using of proper menstrual products available in the market, be it pads, tampons, menstrual cups, whatever it is, choose wisely what suits you best. Also, change of pads regularly, at least after 6 hours, is important as it is seen having connection with causing cancers in women when used for prolonged period. Speaking of this, there are other taboos and myths associated with women's menstrual health, that is barring her from visiting the temples or allowing her into the kitchen or isolating her. During the past period, our ancestors were quite intelligent in understanding that a woman is going through a lot of changes and distress in her body, and as all the work in that time was manual, be it what is replaced now with using a mixie or other equipments that aid cooking or the work required in the kitchen. During the olden times, these facilities were not available, plus, there were joint families Thus, it impacted a lot during those distressful time, and thus she was asked not to visit the kitchen. The temples were far away, and conveyance was not easily available at that time. Also, the climate may or may not be suitable as per the woman's distress in that time. Thus, it was said that going out or visiting a temple is not probably the most helpful thing for a woman to have. And thus, these things were created. In present time, it is perfectly fine if a woman is okay and is not suffering, she can go to temple, she can go to the kitchen. She does not need to overwork herself during that time, because it is something that is gradually going to affect your health and thus needs appropriate care and attention. It is very important that you pay attention to your regular menstrual cycles, and if there is anything that doesn't feel right, visiting your gynecologist, your doctor, or your mental health professional is the best option. Talking about it openly would create a gateway for everybody to understand and bring out a better environment for the woman in that time. As I said, in or if you see in the advertisement, a change in her pad is not going to make a woman superman out of somebody who is suffering emotional, mental, or physical distress. So, consider menstrual health as an important part of your overall health, because it is going to impact a lot of areas of your life that would last for a major part of any woman's health. Wishing everybody a healthy and happy time ahead. Have a great week ahead.